Bishramganj je Nagar Panchayat no Panchayat khaino jaga jaga case rijak mani court amo bom hayang khatam.
Ini Bishramganj Nagar Panchayat ke 2 number court Honorable Mr. Justice Tiamarnath Gut ni koto tini High Court na jaga hearing ka item number 2 tangmani ke petitioner ke Bishing Department others ke borone advocate rok je borone petitioner sai je petitioner manabo defective kabangma including borone prayer ka hamke Khaijakha nang bagane abo court saka withdraw khaina digna because they are defective petition abon pake boro withdraw khaina case and boro jehetu withdraw case hoy tini disposition ka
O law bom hake ma khaina nang yam hoga.
एमे तो बरो गाबो नॉर्मल रीड पिटिशन खाइमाने तो किसे डिफेक्टिव तंगो नॉर्मल अब पीआईएल दांगनाय तांगना तो बरो खि खाइनाय आं तो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द टीटीएडीसी अपीयरिंग का ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट जनरल अपीयरिंग आमसो
Beraya hambai ani mung Rahul Debarma tini ani logi tongo Supreme Court ni advocate Rana Sami Busasar tani yang team member tongo so tini case ni katha court number 2 justice owner go ni court so tini court dibus kangwa je sini tongmani sini je prayers and everything sing saka court sungawan direction rekha je although si sung borongo map sanka and borong sungo hand sketch map konuka borong sungo kuno map ni copy liya but court sungo jehetu map mai kono RTI file dekhai dia nai from our side from the petitioners they didn't file any RTI kono RTI file khaijak dia amon baginai court sungo kaisa opportunity rekha je nor RTI file khaidi nor RTI file khainai okay so kaisa APR khidi so court okay so kono dismiss khai dia court ulta sungo relief rekha kaisa that court sungo enough time rekha so that RTI file khaidi amon pore ngai RTI file khai shandi je of map no rudi যদি নরক যদি আগে ফেল খাই যদি ম্যাপ মাই গাঞ্জে কোর্ট সঙ্গে এসুরেন্স কা আং তঙ্গো আবন পরে গাঞ্জে আং নাখা আং আফরু কোর্ট থেকে এংনাই আবা আম থেকে বসং কাছে এসুরেন্স কা ফর টাইম বিং বসং গমন সাকা যে আরটিএফ ফেল খেদি আরটিএফ ফেল খেনাই কোর্ট বসং প্রডিউস করি
Sega RTR ma khaina.
yes
before the High Court in fact, and the court was very pleased also, but they have given us an opportunity to withdraw the matter once again and file afresh with the documents because there were some documents which were not produced and those documents were with the government, and when the court posed a question regarding the documentation, it was not even in the custody of the government. Therefore, the petitioners also some other formal bodies have filed an RT application wherein they are requesting for the copies. Once we get the copies, we will be filing it afresh and make sure that the demarcations are properly noted and mentioned also apartly, and we'll put our prayer before the court once again on the honorable court. That would be enough.
What is good name sir?
Court. My name is Rana Sandeep Bussa. I'm an advocate practicing in Supreme Court. Today I came specifically for this matter, in fact, to argue here. And this is my team, Mr. Rahul Debarma and Bapan Debarma, and the petitioner over here. Thank you.